at Saturday, September 14th, around 4:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I bought silver yesterday, and they're out already. So I have an in-stock alert again. This silver round must be a lot more popular than I would have thought. Because they're really having trouble keeping it in stock. Could have picked up 3 tubes yesterday. I only picked up 1. Price is still the same, $18.81, as it was when I bought it. I would rather get it when it's like 69 cents over spot per ounce or less. But at this rate, I don't know. It's kind of like if they put it on sale, then it would be even worse, wouldn't it? Or would it? So I didn't wait for a sale. Anyway, I've got my in-stock alert for when they do have it again. Hopefully I can pick up another tube. Oh, I did send in my military ID card to the email address, but it will be Monday before they can take a look at it and maybe get that set up. I don't know how quick that is to get set up, but it should be here shortly. What that means is JM Bullion is one of the great places that seem to actually care about our military. But what it means is whichever category that you're buying in. So if I'm using ACH, check, or wire, however many I buy, 1 or more, instead of paying, whatever price the category is, I would pay the lowest price published here. So if I bought a tube of 20, I would still pay just the $18.36 each. Now the things that don't have multiple price categories, you would pay the one that it had listed for it. So it would not save me anything on these. So I still need this one. And this one too, I think. And that came down from 151. So there's only one price category here. So you'd pay the one price category. And on here, if I ordered 20, I would pay the $19.81. And they had the 500. Okay, they have 4,919 in stock. I don't know. Maybe I should switch to these. You pay a premium, but you get a premium when you sell. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Which would you recommend? Which do you stack? Or do you stack? Silver Eagles or generic silver rounds? I like these. Another reason I like these is because of the mint mark security features. It makes them really, really difficult to counterfeit. Although if you buy them from a reputable dealer, you should not be getting counterfeits anyway. Leave your thoughts, comments in the question and comment section. And I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up as well. Or a thumbs down, or both if you can. Doesn't matter. Just give me a thumb one way or another. And I will see you in the next video.